Okay, so the time is almost upon us. The exams are here. It's business. Let's get on to it. Big thing that you need to make sure that you're doing in all of the exams is make sure that you read the question. Making sure that you read the question means that you understand it. Underline any key things in it, any key words, any names, whatever. Get those either underlined or highlighted. And then move on to the question itself. In both the Russia exam and the Germany exam, you're going to need to deal with the sources. So make sure that you say what you see or say what you can read in the sources. It's absolutely imperative that you make sure that you get the sources in there. Then add your own knowledge. Think about the content of the source. Think about the context, that's the time it was written, or the person who was saying it, or why they were saying it. Then think about a judgment, how useful was it? Get those evaluative words in there. It was very useful, it was quite useful, and give an explanation for it. Then when you move on to the bigger sections in section 2 and section 3, they're looking for more extended answers. So again, in the Germany paper where it looks at interpretations, make sure you tell us what the interpretation is. Make sure you say what the evidence is telling you about it, and then say why by looking at the person who said it and why they said it. And then finally, in the essay questions, again, in the Russia and the Germany exam, we're looking for a two-sided answer. We're looking for yes and no. Don't need to go yes, no, yes, no. You simply need to say yes and list all of the reasons, and then no and list all of the reasons why. Then on to the American paper. It's absolutely crucial that you make sure that you focus on the race issue. Do that one before you even look at the American foreign policy. That's because the most marks are available there, and you're going to be doing the essay question on the race issue. This paper is the one that will make or break you because it gives you so many more UMS marks compared to the raw. So really focus on making sure that you understand everything that happened across the period and how and why things changed. It could be that there's a change for the better. It could be that there's a change for the worse. It could be that there's a change that happens quicker, or in other words, it goes a little bit slower. It's entirely up to you what you write, but make sure you focus on those things. You can do it. Good luck.